sides are equal. The polygon is having the sides are equal is called as the regular polygon. Okay, the following method. Okay, first one, circle method. Second one, semicircle method. And third one, inscribe a polygon. Inscribe a polygon in a circle, given circle, in a given circle. Okay, there are three methods. We are given the given circle radius and we are to inscribe a polygon in a given circle. Okay, first one is circle method, second one is a semicircle method, and third one, that is the one that inscribe a polygon in a given circle. Yeah, okay. He has given the circle radius. By using circle, we have to draw the inscribe the polygon in it. Okay, first one already we have discussed in the previous class. That is the circle method. Okay, once again I will tell the what is the procedure for a circle method. Okay, he has given the side. Okay, he has given the side. We have to assume that is the side length was is equal to 20 mm or 25 mm. Okay, 25. Okay, side length. The side length is equals to 25. We have to assume side length is equal to 25. Okay, then we have to draw the, by using side 25 mm. Okay, the polygons are triangle, the square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay, these are the polygons. Is having the equal sides. These are called as the regular polygon. Okay, whenever the sides of a polygon is equal, then the polygon is said to be regular polygon. The polygon is said to be regular polygon. Okay, he has given side by using circle method. Okay, side is equals to 25. Okay, we have to draw the side 25. AB. AB is equals to, okay. Side is having the two endpoints, that is point A and point B. This length was is equals to 25 mm. Okay, the length was is equals to 25. Okay, for triangle, all sides are equal. Then A as a center, B as a center with same radius. A as a center, 25 mm as a radius. Draw the arc. B as a center, again same radius, that is 25 mm. To intersecting this arc, it is required is C. C is joined with A and B. That is the triangle. Okay, triangle we can easily construct by using a side length. By using side length. Okay, then we have to go for the general method for a circle method. That is AB is equals to 25. Okay, the audio is
Sir, sir.
Right. Okay. AB is equals to 25. Then we have to draw the perpendicular line which is passing to either A or B. Okay, perpendicular line A నుంచి డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు, B నుంచి డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు. దీనిలో ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు నేను perpendicular line drawn from the B. Perpendicular line drawn from the B. Okay. Next, B as a center. B as a center. B as a center. AB as a radius. B as a center. AB as a radius. B center. AB radius. Then we have to draw the arc. We have to draw the arc. The intersection point on this perpendicular line is C. The perpendicular line is. Then C is joining with C is joining with. Okay. Then okay, C is joining with A. Next we have to go for perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, Telugulo midpoint line. Okay, take A as a center, more than a radius. Draw the two arcs on both sides. Take A as a center, more than a radius. Draw the two arcs on both sides. B as a center with the same radius, that is more than half, which is taken as A as a center, then two intersecting these two arcs. And we are to joining these two arcs, which is the point on AC, point on AC, and arc at 1 point. Arc at 1 point and line is at 1 point. This perpendicular line or perpendicular bisector line is intersecting AC at the fourth point. AC at 4 and AC arc at 6. Then we have to give the even number. And 3 already we can run by using one side is given. But then we have to go for square. We have to go first. That is the point 4. We have to indicate AC line is 4 and AC arc at 6. Okay. Next, we have to go for, first we have to draw the 4 as a center. Okay, 4 which is located on AC, 4 as a center, 4A as a radius. 4A as a radius. Okay, this point as a center, this much as a radius. Okay, this much as a radius. This much as a radius, I mean 4A as a radius. Then we have to draw this circle. Draw the circle. Then A as a center. A as a center, AB as a radius. A as a center, AB as a radius. Okay, then we have to draw the arc on circle. The intersection point is D. Okay, square is having the, how many sides? Square is having the 4 sides. Then we have to get the one, already 3 points will be there on the circle. Then we have to go for one more point, take A as a center, AB as a radius. AB means given side on this. Then A as a center, we have to draw the arc. Then we have to joining A with D and D with C. This is the required square. This is the required square. Okay, square ni మనం డ్రాప్ యూజ్ చేసి కూడా డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. But we ask the method, then we have to go for this. Any doubt? Yes. Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh. Next.
No, sir.
Next we have to go for pentagon. That go for pentagon means in between 4 and 6. In between 4 and 6, that is 5th point. Then we have to go for perpendicular bisector of 4, 6. Perpendicular bisector of 4, 6 side. 4 as a center, more than of radius. Draw the 2 arcs on both sides. 6 as a center with same radius to intersecting these 2 arcs, which gives the 5th point on 4 and 6. 5th point. 5 as a center. 5A as a radius. 5A as a radius. 5 as a center, 5A as a radius. Okay, this point too. Okay, this much as a radius. Okay, this is the radius. Then we have to draw the circle. Okay, draw the circle. Already 2 points is on the circle, that is A and B. Okay, the pentagon is having the how many corners? 5 corners or 5 sides. Okay, is having already 2 is located on this circle. Then we are go for 3 more corners. E as a center. Okay, the circle is passing through 2 corners. Then we have to find out 3 corners. A as a center, AB as a radius. A as a center, AB as a radius. Then we have to draw the arc on circle with same radius. Okay, this is point C. Okay, this is point C, and this is point D, and this point is E. Okay, A is equals to 25. E as a center, 25 mm as a radius. Draw the arc. Then we have go for intersection point. Then we D as a center, 25 mm as a radius. Then we have to join these 3 points. That is the pentagon.
मल्ल ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరు ఒకసారి
अरे क्या करता है रे भाई, मेरा हार्ट पार्ट कहाँ है रे? ट्रक होता है
Next, 6 as a center. ఇది ఇదా ఇప్పుడు 5 లొకేట్ చేసావా? 5 as a center, 5A as a radius, draw the circle. Okay, the circle. Next, A as a center, AB radius. A as a center, AB radius, draw the arc. Then the intersection point is E. Then E as a center, again 25 mm as a radius. The intersection point is B. Then B as a center, 25 mm as a radius. Hello?
Sir, voice is not clear.
सर वीडियो स्टक अయింది मेरे
Sir, video వస్తలేదు sir.
अरे
Yeah sir.
फोन लेगा तू फोन लेगा
వస్తుందా?
yes सर ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది
ఎలా వస్తలేదు sir.
One second.
सामने रूम में रहता कोई सी तो भी लग जाओ
Yes.
मिल गया पावर बैंक
Okay. Phi has a center, phi A as a radius. We have to draw the circle. Then AB as a radius, A as a center. Draw the arc on circle. Then we are getting 1 point. Okay, take this point as the center. Then we have to draw the arc. We have to get the another point on the circle. Take this point as the center. Draw the arc. Then we have to go for how many corners? 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The pentagon is having the 5 sides and 5 corners. And we are joining all the corners and starting with A with E, E with the D, and D with C, and C with B. That is the required pentagon.
Sir, ఇప్పుడు 5A radius sir circle.
5A radius. 5 as a center, 5A as a radius. 4 as a center, 4A as a radius. 6 as a, we are doing the 6 as a center, 6A as a radius. So you can also get దీనికి ఒక సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేయండి.
तुम्हारी द्वारा
ఉంది కదా దీనికి ఇలా సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేయండి. 6 as a center, 6 as a radius. ఓకే 7 కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? Take 5, 6 radius. Take 5, 6 radius, 6 as a center, draw the arc. That point is 7. Again we have to take the 5, 6, 7 as a center. Then we have to get the 8. Otherwise 4, 6 as a radius, 6 as a center, draw the arc. That point is 8. And 8 as a center, then we have to draw the arc. That point is 10. We have to get the points on perpendicular bisector line. Okay. Total 10 problems. Means not 10, up to decagon. First one is square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, ninogon, and decagon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 problems. ఇండివిజువల్ గా గీయండి. ఓకేనా? ఇది ఒకటి మళ్ళీ గీయండి. తర్వాత పెంటగాన్, తర్వాత హెక్సాగాన్. అన్ని ఒకే దానిలో కాకుండా ఒక్కొక్కటి గీయండి. ఒకవేళ లాస్ట్ కి అన్ని ఒకే దానిలో గీయండి. లాస్ట్ కి వచ్చేసరికి అన్ని ఒకటేసారి గీయండి. ఓకే, ఇది సర్కిల్ మెథడ్. ఈ సర్కిల్ మెథడ్ ని మనం ఏం అంటున్నాం? జనరల్ మెథడ్ అంటున్నాం. ఓకేనా? సర్కిల్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నోన్ యాజ్ జనరల్ మెథడ్.
Sir, next semi.
Next semicircle method. Okay, yeah, suppose in the semicircle method. Okay, he has given side length is equals to 25 mm. Okay, side length is equals to 25 mm. Then we have to draw the AB. Okay. Then A as a center. AB is even side. A as a center, AB as a radius. Then we extend the AB in the left side. AB extended the left side. A as a center, AB as a radius. Then we have to draw the
ओदे काही बोल पैसे नाही पूछता
फोन आता है
जाओ तुम्हारा फोन मत कर तुम्हें
Okay. A as a center, AB radius, we have to draw the.
और उनका
Okay, we have to go for pentagon. Pentagon, how many sides? Hello? Pentagon
Hey,
is
मजा
5
भी
sides.
पाते हैं।
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
उसके पैसे भी
Pentagon. Okay. What is the angle this one? This angle.
180
sir.
कहाँ है
180 sir.
आपको रहता हूँ
180 degree. 180 divided by 5. Pentagon is the right side. And 180 divided by 5. 5 3 is the 15. 3 is 30. 5 6 is the 30. And the 36. 36 is the degree. Okay, by using protractor, I have to measure the 36, 72. Next 72 plus 36, 108. Yes or no? 1, 2, 108. 3 and 4 and this one is 5. Okay. The semicircle will be divided into 5 equal points. By using protractor, angle must be equals to 36 degree. Angle is equals to 36 degree. Okay, then we have to, in this procedure, we have to get the 5 sides. Okay, 1. Okay, then this always, we have to go for any problem. As by using semicircle, the A point is joining with 2. A point is joining with always. Okay, that's A2 is equals to how much? A2 is equals to. Anyone? A2 is equals to
22 mm. 36.
22 mm. Huh? A2 length, this length.
25 sir.
Huh?
36 sir.
26.
25 sir.
हाँ
36.
पैसे दियो पैसे
36
Petrol
that
नहीं
is
है।
angle, not I am saying this side length.
अरे चाल का
This side length must be equal to semicircle. The radius must be equal to side length, that is 25.
थोड़ा बोल जाओ
AB ఎంత ఉంటుందో A2 కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది. Okay, next. A point is joining with always second point. Not first point, always second point. Then A3 joining A3 and extended. And next A4. Okay, already 5 will be there. A2. A2 is equals to AP. That is here we
बहुत
are
साल हो
getting
गया
1
लाइव
point.
बोलता
That is
तुम्हें
2 as a
टेंशन होता
center.
है ये फोन का नहीं
25.
हाँ जी टाइम देता वैसा पूरे कुछ प्रिंसिपल में जाओ फोन करो नहीं करता हूँ
Center
नहीं लिखता हूँ बोलो जी
AB radius. AB is equals to what? 25. Arc A2 as a radius. 2 as a center, we have to draw the arc. One more point we have to. Next, this point as a center, 25 mm as a radius.